mean, you probably won't get the ferocity of it, but I mean, that is absolutely pulling like a tank. You can see the way it's flowing into the river there, tapping around. As I say, as soon as you get your rig close in, it's dragging it right around the corner, and there's a load of wooden board in there, and that's where my rig got tangled. I nearly got snagged in there, and I nearly lost this one as well, because there's boards all the way around on this pier. I just it was literally pulling the right round.